You're not overweight. You're not lean or ripped. You're simply soft throughout. No abs showing, no real muscle development, and no defined shape at all. Eat more and you just put on extra fat. Eat less and you only get smaller and weaker. There's a good chance you're skinny fat. Let me help you fix it. But first, let's make sure you actually are skinny fat and not just assuming. There are some clear signs that don't lie. Sign number 1. You look pretty good with clothes on, but when the shirt comes off, it's a different story. Soft belly, flat chest, arms that are average at best but with zero definition or separation. Sign number 2, you can easily grab a handful of fat around your waist. If love handles are easy to pinch, chances are you're skinny fat. Sign number 3, no visible muscle definition anywhere on your body. No veins in the arms, no shoulder caps, no chest separation, just softness everywhere. Sign number 4, your strength is surprisingly low considering how long you've been training. If you've been lifting for a year or more and still can't bench your body weight, that's a clear warning sign. If this sounds like you, then yes, you're likely skinny fat. Before I tell you the solution, we need to fix the common mistakes that have been holding you back. Mistake number 1, your eating strategy is all wrong. You're confused about whether to bulk or cut because you've heard you need to eat big to grow big. So you're forcing extra meals thinking you're building muscle. But in reality, you're only getting softer. That belly fat isn't leaving during a surplus. On the other hand, you might be cutting calories too aggressively to get lean. But with little muscle underneath, you just end up shrinking and looking even less impressive because a big deficit isn't the place to build muscle. Your body is just trying to survive. So both heavy bulking and aggressive cutting are the wrong moves for someone who's skinny fat. The great news is that being skinny fat puts you in an excellent position to transform relatively fast. You can build muscle and lose fat at the same time. This is called body recomposition, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Mistake number 2, thinking endless cardio is the fix for skinny fat. You dive into tough cardio sessions, sprints, long runs, and feel wiped out like you ran a marathon. You believe it must be working, but it's not. Adding lots of intense cardio to your lifting destroys your recovery, drops your energy, hurts your workouts, and stops muscle building. You're tired all the time and eventually hate it. After 4 weeks, most people quit and are back to square one. Luckily the fix is simple and we'll get to it soon. Third mistake. Jumping on every trending extreme diet. Keto, carnivore, no carbs allowed. These don't work well for skinny fat people not because they're bad diets, but because they mess with your mindset. Carbs become the enemy. Fruit is bad, rice is risky, bread is off limits. You stay strict all week then binge on pizza and sweets on the weekend because you feel deprived. Guilt hits, you restart Monday, and the cycle continues. You're stuck in a mental trap. You need consistency, not extremes. The solution is eating like a normal person. Don't cut out food groups entirely. Don't fear carbs. Just focus on the right calorie total, enough protein, and balance. Eat foods you like, track your intake, hit your protein goals, and stop blaming carbs. Overeating is the real issue, not the carbs themselves. Enough about the mistakes. Here's the actual 4-step plan to fix your skinny fat physique. Step 1, eat at maintenance calories or a slight deficit. No bulk, no crash cut. Right in the middle. Your maintenance level or maybe a 15% deficit to move faster. Because as a skinny fat person, you can build muscle and lose fat simultaneously through body recomposition, which is ideal for you. Finding your calories is easy. Use any online TDEE calculator. Put in your height, weight, and activity level for your starting number. The hard part is hitting it consistently every day with good macros. Not guessing 2,900 calories or panicking down to 1,600 by skipping meals. Aim for something like 2,200 every day for weeks. Skinny fat people can't afford to get this wrong. Too much food keeps the fat, too little prevents muscle growth. This is where Cal-AI helps a lot. Set your goal to maintenance or slight deficit. It gives you exact calorie, protein, carb, and fat targets with no guesswork. Just snap a picture of your meal and it gives you the macros in seconds. Missed something in the photo? Add it with a couple taps and the numbers update. What makes it sustainable is the huge food database. You won't eat chicken and broccoli forever. You'll eat out, try new foods, grab things on the go. Cal-AI's database is massive and updated regularly. Scan barcodes for packaged items in 3 seconds. Body recomposition needs precision and Cal-AI makes it effortless. Download Cal-AI and use code CAPTAINWORKOUT for a 3-day free trial. Step 2. Focus on protein. Aim for around 1.6 to 2 grams per pound of body weight. Fill the rest of your calories with carbs and fats. Protein builds muscle and protects it during fat loss. Without it, you're just dieting, not recomposing. I know it sounds like a lot and you're tired of chicken. Good news, you don't have to eat only chicken. Try Greek yogurt, protein shakes, or quick scrambled eggs. Plenty of easy ways to hit your targets with no excuses. Step 3. Train with purpose to build muscle. Going to the gym without a plan leads to no progress. Random machines, random sets and reps, and you stay the same. To fix skinny fat you need progressive overload. Get better every week, more weight, more reps, better form. Benched 135 last week. Go for 140 this time. Did 10 reps? Push for 12. Fight through those last hard reps with good control and solid form. No sloppy technique or ego lifting. Controlled lifts build muscle, reckless ones cause injury. Follow a solid program and stick with it long enough to make real gains. Step 4. Fix your daily lifestyle because skinny fat is also about habits outside the gym. Get 7,000 to 10,000 steps per day without fail. Walk during calls, while listening to podcasts, after eating, just keep moving. No need for hard cardio. These steps burn calories and help recovery without exhausting you. Get at least 7 hours of quality sleep. This is when real recovery and muscle building happen and hormones balance out. Bad sleep means no progress. Finally, be consistent. This isn't a 4-week miracle. It's a new lifestyle. You don't need perfection daily, but good consistency most days. 80% effort over 6 months beats perfect effort for 3 weeks then quitting. Track everything, meals, workouts, steps. If you don't track, you can't improve. You'll spot issues fast like low protein or not pushing hard enough. Use Cal-AI for food tracking to know you're hitting calories and protein. Log workouts in notes or a spreadsheet. Compare week to week. Steps are easy on your phone. Follow the plan and you'll see changes in weeks. The scale isn't the best measure. You can stay the same weight but look much better with more muscle and less fat. Better ways to track progress. Lifts increasing even in a deficit means muscle gain. Take weekly photos in same conditions to compare. Look for more definition and less softness. Your waist should stay the same or get smaller slightly. Arms, chest, and shoulders should hold or grow. That's the sign you're doing body recomposition right. How long does it take to fix skinny fat? It depends. Everyone stores fat differently and it comes off at its own pace. You can't spot reduce. If you follow through, expect strength gains and better energy in the first few weeks. After 1 month, subtle improvements like less softness and tighter waist. After 3 months, obvious changes in the mirror, better fitting clothes, more athletic look. After 6 months, a full transformation that looks very different from where you started. This is where people usually fail, wanting fast results and quitting or switching plans. Stop overthinking and looking for shortcuts. Start executing the plan and stay with it. If you want the next step, watch this video.